Well, it's been 9 months since we started this project. Welcome back to 207 Seal Lane. Things have changed. We've got new siding, new windows, new roof. The back of the whole place is back on, so that's cool. Come check it out. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside here. So as you can see, things inside here have changed a lot. We've got no wall here anymore. There's a beam inside. We've got a brand new kitchen. This went over budget and took way longer than my client anticipated. I think we're 3 months behind and $50,000 over budget. But it did come out really beautiful. There was a door here. We widened this and left this open so it flows into a bonus space here now. So this was not finished square footage before, but we finished it and added HVAC, so you can see we got a vent here now. Now this becomes finished above grade square footage, and that greatly improves the value of the home. So let me show you the rest of the kitchen. You've got a full depth fridge. We've actually recessed this back into the wall. So it looks counter depth, but it's not. And that's kind of cool. We had to really squeeze this dishwasher in. It just opens. So instead of handles here, you got little pushers. You know, it was somewhat of a challenge getting this design quite right. You know, trying to center the sink with the windows still fit, the dishwasher, but it all really worked out nicely. I would say one of the big things that delayed this project for my client was the structural work, trying to get permits, getting the contractors lined up for that. Took a little longer than anticipated, and things just sometimes drag out. I want to show you the bathroom because that's been a huge change. So here there was a closet, but we took that closet out and we put the vanity here, which was the idea of one of my contractors. We retiled the tub, brand new tub, toilet. We moved the toilet from here to there. But yeah, if you remember, this was all rusted out. It looked horrible. So it's a huge improvement. And over here, this used to be a 4th bedroom, but we took all of this out. There was just a doorway here. Now this is wide open and it becomes living space. So you could potentially have a dining room here or a dining room over there and a living room here or vice versa. So it's whatever the person wants to do. It's kind of flexible. Over here, we've got the 3rd bedroom, which is a 1st floor bedroom. It's got a giant closet. This closet was really funky before. It had like one door here, one door actually into that room. We made it one big giant closet. Upstairs, you're gonna see a huge transformation in this house. This whole back of the house just got blown off and put back on. We raised the ceiling up a whole foot, so that's 8-foot ceilings now. Now you've got a full bath here instead of that dinky little half bath that they had before. This is the main bedroom here, which is the biggest bedroom in the house. You can see now, instead of a roof here, we've got this bumped out high, big beautiful windows, giant closets. And over here we've got the other bedroom, slightly smaller, but still a great size. Easily could get a king bed in here. And I think I gotta take you to the dungeon. So this basement was a bit of a dungeon, but now we painted the walls white, the floors are gray. It's a brand new staircase. The old staircase was rotting, so that is gone. Brand new HVAC system in here, laundry machines, laundry area. It's nice and bright. We got tons of lights, no more cobwebs. They got the panel here, so nice big 200 amp panel now. And yeah, everything's a little bit different, right? Okay, the house looks a lot different from the back. Before you just had the roof, now you've got this. And that was a pretty expensive part of the renovation. And again, it took a lot of time and wasn't a great idea to try to attempt in winter. But anyway, it's done. Brand new siding, brand new windows. Nice big backyard here. It's quiet, peaceful, great neighborhood. This thing has been a lot of work, but it's done. I kind of can't believe it because of how long it took. So anyway, if you're trying to do a renovation like this, we help people invest in the Philadelphia suburbs. It can be really rewarding. It is a lot of work, but if you want to make a house like this, I'm here to help you. Anyway, you can reach out to me. I'm Rob Lawrence from the Rob Lawrence team. And thanks for checking out this renovation with me and sticking with me through many, many months of filming this thing. All right, see you later.